Hello, what are we here to do today?
To Igbo class!
Very good. Happy students, happy teacher. So today is our 4th lesson. Yay!
Yay!
Well done.
So first of all, we start with stand up.
All right. So what is stand up? Kunye oto.
Kunyeto.
Very good. Now you have to be careful. And then Norana.
Norana, sit down.
Sit down. The first things, every time when we start the class, we have to go through what we have learned because we want to make sure that we know what we are learning. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the first thing we learned was Ginibo Afai. So if you say one after the other. Okay. So what? Ginibo Afai. Is that your name?
No.
All right. So Ginibo Afai.
Michelle.
Very good. Ginibo Afai.
Chama.
Very good.
And then the A.
Exactly. So A for Onekede. Adam. A for Adam.
Ishi.
Very good. And Chama, remember your age?
Ano.
Ano.
I can say it all by myself.
Okay, so let her say it herself. Okay.
Ano.
Ano. Adam. A for Ano. Both of you say Adam. A for. No, yours is what? Ishi. Adam. A for.
Adam. Afo.
Ano.
Ano.
Very.
O. Ato.
Abo. Ato. Ano. Ise. Ishi. Can anybody remember what this is? Yeah, take it out. Yeah, Chama, what is this one? Oh, so this one is Untutu. Well done, you guys. I'm so proud of you. Now, what of this one?
Ishi.
Yeah, you guys are proud of you. Now, let's go to, what is this one?
Asha. Anna.
Well done. You did it. Okay. What is this one? No, this. Imi.
I did it, Mommy.
You did it. And then what is this one?
No.
Oh no. Yeah, and then that one.
Yes.
Say.
Listen, ears.
No, in Igbo.
We're doing Igbo class. That's why it's called
Exactly.
Igbo class.
So what is this one?
Inti.
Nti. What is this one?
Afa.
Afo. Well done. What is this one?
Ofo.
I'm so proud. What is this one?
Aka.
If you wanted this one?
Because actual unicorn.
Very good. And if what of this one?
Because actual tissue.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Imbona.
Morning. What do you greet your mommy?
Mommy, good morning. No, tutoma. Tutoma, mama.
Tuoma, what's her name again?
Miss Morgan.
So Miss Morgan, Tuoma, and she says, Michelle, what is that? He says, that's how we say good morning in Igbo. Can you do that for me, Michelle? Do you know what? She learns that language. And who taught her? You, Michelle. Can you do that? I need you to be bold. Are you Igbo?
Yeah.
And if you're Igbo, what happens? You have to show people you're Igbo. In the evening, like when you're going now, I'll say what? Kachibo. Kachifo.
That means bye.
That's good night. Kachifo. Can we do...
Mama, kachifo. Mommy, kachifo.
Ndo. Oh dear. Ndo.
I have a bad cough today.
Okay. Ndo.
I cough every
All right,
single day.
darling. What is water in Igbo?
Water.
Miri. And that's friend. Enyim. Very good.
We are onions.
Say I am a girl. Abu Mwanye. Mwanye is girl. Abu Mwanye.
So, is that like I am a girl?
That's it.
I am a girl or girl?
I am a girl.
Okay.
Abum nwanyị.
Why?
What country are you from? I said, ke obodo isi. Abum onye Nigeria. Abum onye Nigeria. Abum onye Nigeria. Gịnị bụ afa ị?
Afambo Michelle. Afambo Tamara.
Well done, two of you. I'm going to write the list here.
Biko Atron biscuits.
So there's going to be biscuits at the birthday. Next, Chamara.
Biko Atron biscuits and sweet and pear and apple.
Sweet, okay? And pear and apple. What is it in Igbo?
Asusu. Asusu. Have you slow down again?
Wayo. So, wayo. Okay, all right then.
Play with the dolls later.
Yeah, all right. So thank you very much. Thank you to everyone.